Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos and confirming you're in the correct account because the hidden folder is per account. Next, long press one photo to enter selection mode, then tap any additional images you want hidden. Once done, make sure your device backup is current so you can restore originals if needed. This avoids accidental loss. Also check that Photos app permissions for storage and media access are enabled so the app can move items to the archive or locked folder. You should now move the selected images into the locked folder because it removes them from the main library and restricts access. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Move to Locked Folder. If you don't see it, use Archive temporarily, but be aware Archive isn't secure. Next, authenticate with your PIN, fingerprint, or face. This is why Google isolates those files. Once moved, make sure they no longer appear in Moments or Albums. Locked folder files exist only. Finish by opening locked folder and confirming each photo is present and gated by your lock method. This proves the process worked. If you still see images in the main feed, make sure to clear the app cache, force stop, or update Google Photos because stale indexes can show removed items. If something goes wrong, recover images from the locked folder or your Google account backup and remove them carefully. Finally, adjust device lock settings to match your privacy needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.